Did you know that the Canadian government will literally give you up to $7,200 for your child's education, but most parents aren't using the right strategy to actually get all of it? When I first opened a registered education savings plan, or RESP, I was overwhelmed. I knew I wanted to use Wealthsimple because I already used them for my TFSA, but I didn't want to just park money there. I wanted to maximize every single dollar of that free government money. After navigating the setup and the grant rules, I found the most efficient way to do it. To get started, you have to choose between a managed or self-directed account. If you want a set it and forget it experience, go with managed investing. You answer a few questions about your risk tolerance and when your child will start college, and Wealthsimple builds a diversified portfolio for you. They charge a 0.5% management fee, but for most people, the automation is worth it. If you're comfortable picking your own ETFs, like XEQT or VGRO, self-directed is the way to go. You'll save on that 0.5% fee, but you have to remember to log in and actually buy the shares every time you deposit money. The real secret to the RESP isn't just the platform, it's the timing. The government matches 20% of your contributions through the Canada Education Savings Grant, or CESG. To maximize this, you should aim to contribute $2,500 per year. That triggers the full $500 annual grant. If you have a lump sum of $50,000, don't drop it all in at once. If you do, you'll only get $500 in total grants for that year. By spreading it out $2,500 at a time annually, you capture the full $7,200 lifetime limit. One thing I love about Wealthsimple is the grant automation. Once you put in your child's social insurance number during setup, Wealthsimple applies for the CESG and the Canada Learning Bond on your behalf. You don't have to fill out government forms every time you deposit. The grant money just shows up in the account about 6 to 8 weeks later. If you have multiple kids like I do, open a family RESP. It's much easier to manage one account than 3 separate ones. You can share the grant room between siblings, which is a huge lifesaver if one child decides not to go to university but the other wants to become a doctor. Lastly, watch out for the $50,000 lifetime contribution limit. If you go over that, the CRA will hit you with a 1% penalty tax per month on the excess. Keep it simple. Automate a monthly deposit of about $208 to hit that $2,500 annual sweet spot. Let Wealthsimple grab the grants, and let time do the heavy lifting. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.